आप क्यों इसको याद कर पाए इजीली? वाई? विजुअलाइजेशन तो है ही, वो दैट इज द, वो तो इम्पैक्टफुल है, लेकिन अर्लियर यू आर नोइंग ऑल द नेशनल पार्क्स, यू नो द होल इंडिया, यस और नॉट? जहां पे भी कुछ बात की जाएगी आप उसको अपने दिमाग में एक इमेज स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं फट से। ईस्टर्न घाट, ओके, लार्ज रॉक घाट, राइट, तो आप स्ट्रॉन्ग इमेज बनाते हैं, क्लियर? वो इमेज तो है, लेकिन उसके बैक साइड का इमेज आप जो पढ़े हुए हैं वो इमेज स्ट्रॉन्ग इमेज, क्लियर? सो we have to see the biome, and tomorrow we'll see some, how many critically endangered species we have? 64 around, 670 around. Enough. Then birds, 15 birds, 6 amphibians and 14 fishes, clear? ये आपके लिखने में काम आएगा ये डाटा, कभी मेंस का कुछ होगा तो दैट विल हेल्प इन राइटिंग। आई सेड दैट इक्वेटोरियल रीजन में क्या देखते हैं, देयर इज अ नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड इज देयर एंड देयर इज अ साउथ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड। नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड and south east trade wind both are converging and making it intertropical convergence zone or doldrum, very calm condition over here, okay? And which are the reason we have like this? It is, I said that, Amazon region of South America, Congo basin of Africa, and some region of Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, some parts it is of what? So in this region you can have what? A equatorial region. This is the reason I have said that 2 times sun comes over the equator, and that is known as what? Equinox. That is known as what? Equinox. Over the equator it comes, and equinox means, what is the meaning of equinox? Both the hemisphere has what? Equal day and equal night, means 12 hours day and 12 hours night. And that comes on the which date? 21st March and 22nd September. Therefore, April month, क्योंकि मार्च तो फिनिश हो रहा है, therefore April month and October month will get a maximum heat equator. Yes or no? Maximum heat means maximum evaporation, and maximum evaporation means, yes, maximum evaporation means more cloud formation. So the maximum temperature during April and October or 21st March के आसपास, and then maximum rainfall will be during this April and October. After that minimum, and then 21st June it reaches Tropic of Cancer. Sun reaches what? Tropic of Cancer. 21st June को sun कहाँ पे पहुँचता है? Tropic of Cancer. At that time sun is what? If it is falling, sun rays are falling vertically at 23.5 degree, then it will fall at equator by 66.5 degree. The sun rays are little less, around 70 degree. तो यहाँ पर comparatively less rainfall and comparatively less heat. Understood? 21st June, and thereafter it means June month, and 22nd December it will be at the Tropic of Capricorn. It means 22nd December onward, and then this region that at that time sun river equatorial region will receive less heat and less rainfall. Understood? This is the one idea you have got. Another I am talking about, every day, that is in this region get rainfall after getting saturated, after, and when you do climate तो आपको idea हो जाएगा what is the meaning of saturation. I said that when the water vapor comes up in this region, if you have seen that in this region wind used to come, but thereafter it does not go it does not move till the what is an equator, but only comes and then started moving upward. So in this region there is no movement of air. तो यहाँ पे जो भी वाटर वेपर बनेगा, that water vapor cannot be carried away. Yes or no? Suppose I say that this bottle has a capacity to hold 1 liter of water. Then when it has filled up with the 1 liter of water, this bottle gets saturated. This bottle gets saturated with water. This bottle gets saturated with water. So this every atmosphere has a capacity to hold water vapor also. This reason in a given volume of air, 1 cubic meter of air में क्या होगा? It has some holding capacity. और उस holding capacity उतनी ही ज़्यादा उसमें water vapor आ जाए, then it get saturated or relative humidity become 100%. And when the holding capacity and amount of water vapor become equal, it becomes saturated, and this is the point at saturation, condensation, water vapor started converting into condensation, and condensation led to the cloud formation, and that is in the form of what? Convection. यहाँ पे गर्म होगा and it will come up, and there will be which kind of rainfall will be there? Convectional rainfall. And सुबह सबसे ज्यादा टेम्परेचर आप यदि मॉर्निंग में 2 से 4 के बीच में देयर इज एन मिनिमम टेम्परेचर, सन रेज इज नॉट कमिंग. बिटवीन 2 to 4 AM इन द मॉर्निंग देयर इज एन मिनिमम टेम्परेचर. उसके बाद 6 धीरे धीरे क्या होने लग जाता है? द हीट स्टार्टेड कमिंग. सो इन द मॉर्निंग इफ द टेम्परेचर इज 20, if the temperature is 20, then by reaching 10, 11 and 12 तब तक 26-27 डिग्री सेल्सियस पहुंच जाता है.